Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to post a 3D picture on your Facebook. I'm sure you have seen some people post 3D pictures on Facebook, but you don't know how to post a picture. Then don't worry, I'm gonna show you step by step in this video. Firstly, go to your Facebook. Log in your Facebook, and here go to your post and scroll down. Here we go, 3D photo, and select the picture. That picture was clearly background blur. I select it, creating your 3D photo automatically by Facebook. Wait some time. Here we go. Shake your mobile left and right slowly. Did you see? But if you want to replace another photo, then replace here and select another photo. Same way. Here we go. Shake your mobile slowly. And post here. Posting. Wait some seconds. Look at there. Look. It's perfect. Done. It's done. So, how was the video? If you love it, like, comment and share. And one thing, don't forget to subscribe.